Okay, so here's some different examples of armatures. This is from my cardboard box, and I just started covering it with toilet paper, damp toilet paper, and you can see it's making the box damp, but that's okay. And I made a little strawberry on top, and I'm starting on the frosting. And then here is just using aluminum foil. So underneath that is notebook paper that I got out of the recycling bin, and then aluminum foil from the recycling bin. And here's just using old, again, recycling of notebook paper. And then I did tape it because it kept on coming apart to make, this is going to be a cookie. This is a slice of cheesecake. And then this is my layer cake. Okay, so after you have your armature, then all you're going to simply do is put one square of toilet paper down and then wet it with your fingers. And you're going to keep on layering. You might only need 8 squares. You might need 10. You're not going to use a whole roll by any means. You're just going to use some layers, okay? So I would keep on going. And for the cookie, same thing. I would keep on going and I would kind of smush it as I go if I need to. So I already have one cookie here, and I made some little balls out of toilet paper. And how I did that is I'll make another chocolate chip, okay? So I make a little ball out of toilet paper. I'm gonna put it here. And then I'm gonna tear a fresh little strip, get it wet, and I'm just gonna put it on top and smush it around. And that's kind of like tape. Pretend like that's your tape to glue the chocolate chips onto the top, but you're just using toilet paper and water. So I would keep on adding some more chocolate chips for this. I've already finished my eclair. I wrapped that, so I just have to wait for that to dry overnight. Once I add more chocolate chips, I'll wait for this to dry overnight. So that's basically it. I also have another slice of cake that I've done. I made some sprinkles, which will look better once I paint them. And I added the little strips on top, and I made a little rose, like how you would do with frosting. And then I made a little layer of frosting. So I've put all of the toilet paper layers on here already, and I'm just waiting for this to dry. It's not going to be perfect, right? It's going to be a little lumpy, but that's okay because this is the tinfoil armature. Okay, so there is no right or wrong about what you start with, what kind of scrap paper or just balling up toilet paper, what material you use. You're just layering now the toilet paper, and I have a little bin of water here, and I'm just layering my toilet paper to make my desserts. Hope this helps. Have fun with this, okay? Can't wait to see what you come up with.